Once upon a time, in a small town, there was a little café on the corner of a quiet street. The café was warm and cozy, with the smell of coffee and fresh bread filling the air. Every morning, Emma, a young woman who worked at a bookstore, came to the café to drink her coffee and read her favorite book. Emma loved sitting by the window watching people pass by. She was shy and quiet, but her smile was warm and kind. Every day, she saw a man sitting at the same table across the room. His name was James. He always worked on his laptop and ordered the same drink, black coffee with no sugar. James noticed Emma too. He liked the way she smiled while reading her book. He wanted to talk to her, but he didn't know what to say. Day after day, they sat in the same cafe, stealing glances at each other but never speaking. One rainy morning, Emma walked in the cafe, shaking the raindrops off her coat. She saw that the cafe was very crowded, and her usual seat was taken. James noticed her standing near the door and waved to her. "Hi," he said, smiling nervously. "Would you like to sit here?" Emma hesitated for a moment but then smiled back. "Thank you," she said, sitting across from him. They started talking. James told Emma he was a graphic designer, and Emma shared that she loved books and worked at the bookstore nearby. They talked about their favorite stories, their dreams, and the small things that made them happy. Days turned into weeks, and Emma and James met at the cafe every morning. They laughed, shared stories, and supported each other's dreams. Emma started writing her own book, and James designed a cover for it. One sunny day, James took Emma's hand and said, "I'm glad I said hello that day. You make my life brighter." Emma smiled, her cheeks turning pink. "I'm glad too. Sometimes the smallest moments change everything." Their love grew, and the little cafe on the corner became the favorite place in the world, a place where their story began. Every story has its magic, and you just felt it. But trust me, the next one will blow your mind. Don't miss it.